Hey everybody, Kyle here, and welcome to my channel. Some of you might recognize me from another YouTube channel, and I want you to know that going forward, all my content will be getting posted onto this channel here. So be sure to sub up so that you can be notified when I come out with future videos. Today, I'm going to take a look at the price action of Chainlink, as Chainlink is currently trying to break to all-time highs. Is this breakout real, and how high could this thing go? I'm going to pull up this chart and show you what I'm looking at. Alright, Chainlink on the daily, and Chainlink having a beautiful day today, being up 14% at the time of recording. Toggling into the price action here, I can see that Chainlink is making a very honest attempt at closing at an all-time high. Chainlink has already established a wick above the previous all-time high, which is the first step of encouragement that Chainlink is likely making a legitimate break right now. For those of you that were following along with my videos on the other channel, you know that I have these liquid zones established here. Top side of this liquid zone coming in at $20 approximately, and the bottom side of this liquid zone coming in at around $18.84. At the time of recording, there's still 7 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in the trading day, and normally this is a very volatile time for cryptocurrency. Coming down below here, I see massive volume coming in, getting above the exponential moving average, and literally just destroying the last several weeks of volume read, meaning that this is likely, it's a likely sign that this is a very real break of the range. Just yesterday, I see Chainlink was rallying off the 10 simple moving average, shredding this horizontal here, coming in at $16.44, and then complete and utter follow through the very next day, which leads us to this point in time now. Toggling down to the RSI, RSI is looking just fine. I can see that it did recently test the edge of the bearish control zone, worked its way up to the bullish control zone, essentially rejecting, which is fairly normal behavior after coming off the bearish control zone, coming down, finding its footing in the neutral zone, getting up back above the exponential moving average, and now looking to confirm inside the bullish control zone once again. With the exponential moving average in the neutral zone with a very positive slope to the upside, all of this is signifying many points on the board for the bulls that this breakout is very real, that Chainlink is looking to go into a new price discovery phase at higher levels. Coming down to the stochastics are pretty much rhyming with the RSI. I see they got down and flirted with the edge of the bullish control zone, but have since just rocketed right back into the exhaustion zone here with absolute positive, just pointed north, just like rocket ships. And as you guys know, if you were following me on my other channel, you know that I just simply overall see this as an absolute sign of strength, especially when something is trying to resolve an overall greater range. And the overall greater range for me is these two liquid zones. I mean, we got this liquid zone way down here, the bottom side coming in at approximately $8.37 and the top side around approximately $9.41. And overall, this was just all massive consolidation, you know, for Chainlink. And as anything moves up really fast like this, the ranges just get way bigger, way more volatile through these consolidation phases before getting resolved. But as of right now, what I would really like to see here in the next 5 minutes, and by the time you guys see this video, you'll know if this happened or not, but I'm really looking for this daily candle body to close above this liquid zone. And again, that the top side of that liquid zone is coming in right around the $20 mark. So if you guys, you know, however you are looking at this or whatever, you know, whether it's CoinMarketCap or TradingView like I am here, just know that if we get that daily candle closure up above there, that is a first sign of likely that this is resolving the range. Of course, I'm looking for some follow through on good volume. I'd like to see some daily candle body opens living up above this level here. I don't want to see this come shooting right back down to this overall greater range. Otherwise, it would look like a fake out. I don't want to see just a wick up here and a candle body closure below the $20 mark either. But I mean, it's okay if that does happen. Usually these kinds of areas can take a little bit to get resolved, but the fact that this massive celery stick is coming in on this volume with the stochastics as well as the RSI rhyming, this is looking fantastic. Down below at the on the MACD looking great. I see some massive. I see that the histogram is printing this nice island of positive momentum, these solid green bars, and the moving averages are just absolutely north right now, which is just another point on the board for the bull. So this is looking really good. Of course, if we toggle over to the Bitcoin chart here, you see Bitcoin is consolidating between these two liquid zones here. And so long as Bitcoin, you know, lives between these two liquid zones, bottom side of this one coming in around 40,687, top side of this one coming in around 33,812. And any daily candle body closures in here to me is just consolidation and just establishing a greater macro range. And typically when Bitcoin goes sideways in ranges like this is when the alts will normally catch a bid. And being that Chainlink is a very established project, it's one of the leading oracles as far as I'm aware of. It's no surprise that Chainlink is going to be catching bids during this time and be rocketing the way it is. So everything is pointed north right now. Coming into the weekend, we'll see how things go. But typically, sideways behavior for Bitcoin gives way for alts to absolutely catch up to Bitcoin's major moves. So this is very exciting to see. And of course, we're gonna be looking for the candle body closures as confirmations of that to confirm to us that this overall greater range here for the last several weeks is being resolved. Anyways, you guys, things are looking really good for you Chainlink hodlers out there. Congratulations to everyone that's been holding this, that's trading it and doing really well right now. I'm very happy for you to be experiencing these gains. And as of right now, Link is certainly hinting that it would like to reward you further. So let's see what happens here. Anyways, you guys, thanks for coming by, checking out the new channel. Don't forget to subscribe and have yourselves a powerful day.